Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. A day after the local governing body for track and field voiced its concern over the continued absence of the sport, another group of stakeholders is arguing that this will have an adverse effect on the country's marquee events in the near to distant future. The Jamaica Track and Field Coaches Association, JATAFCA, is the latest group to join the chorus of calls. The last track and field competition was held on March 20, with the government not granting approval for additional competitions organized and managed by the governing body, the J3As. JAFACTA says it understands and joins in the concern about the spike in COVID-19 cases and the stress on the public health system. But according to the coaches, concern for public health is not diametrically opposed to the staging of COVID-19 safe track and field competition. The coaches are therefore arguing for striking a balance, minimizing the fallouts, and pursuing the things the nation is best at. JAFACTA President David Riley is asserting that the continued uncertainty is contributing to ill health among athletes and coaches.
The current delay is destructive. We don't talk a lot about the mental health of people in Jamaica. It's almost taboo. But the psychological and the mental damage to our athletes and coaches due to delay is almost irreparable. We can't afford another cancellation of champs, not for 2021. And the delay in approval is almost certainly to cause that.
And Riley, who is also head coach of Excelsior High School and a member of the national coaching staff, also pointed to the economic advantages which he says are being derailed.
A platform for our student athletes to earn for themselves athletic scholarships that the data has shown is valued almost $2 billion. We certainly can't afford it as a nation, that type of investment in a few persons. When you look at what the government has allocated, in terms of the estimate of expenditures from 2016 until now, it's less than $150 million. We can't afford it, and that allocation was really for athlete insurance.
Riley is urging the governments to bring about the resumption of track and field.
We are also imploring the authorities to partner with ISA and J3A and their sponsors to stage these competitions in a safe and successful manner. We're making the call for them to provide a clear and immediate response for all the permits that are now in their possession.
JAFACTA says between February 27 and March 20, the J3 staged 20 competitions that saw 39 junior athletes achieving qualifying standards for the World Under-20 Championships in Nairobi, Kenya, with at least one world-leading performance from a senior athlete. JAFACTA also pointed out that there was no reported COVID-19 cases among athletes, officials, or athlete support personnel.